This is Lisa Vassallo of 1 to 3 Marketing, and I just want to show you how to edit videos within your YouTube channel. First of all, you just want to make sure that your settings are correct and that you've verified your account to give you access to all the relevant tools. So to do that, you go to Settings and then View Additional Features. And you just need to make sure that your account's verified. If it's not, you can click on a button here and you can put in your mobile number and it sends you a verification code. Then once you've done that, you'll then have access to all the right functionality. So if we just go back to the Creator Studio, I can see my videos and I want to manage my videos. So let's edit this video. So this is the page that I really wanted to get to because this is the page where you've got these different tabs and you can do various things to your videos once you've uploaded them into YouTube. So first of all, you want to make sure you've got a short title, ideally less than 50 characters, including punctuation. And this should include your keywords so that people can find your video. I quite often put a date in there because people often look for up-to-date information and things change all the time in the worlds of digital marketing. And then you want a short description. The first few sentences are the most important to let people know what your video is going to be about. And then you can add some tags here to include your keywords. And you also want to make sure that you save your video into one of your playlists, which can be done here. This one's already saved into my Facebook playlist. A playlist is just a folder on YouTube where you can file your videos. So you can either select one you've already got created or create a new playlist, and this one's under Facebook. You can also customize your thumbnail here. So this is the little image that appears against your video. So it's quite a good idea to set that as something quite catchy so people can easily see what the video is about. You can customize the thumbnail. And you can only do this once you've verified your account, as I just showed you. And then you can take a picture from your computer that you've created. You can create quite nice images using Canva, or you can get free images from pixabay.com. They're royalty-free images. Then under Enhancements, there's a number of things that you can do. You can speed up or use time lapse. You can change the lighting, but the most important bit on here I think is the trim function. So if you click on trim, you can trim out parts of your video simply by dragging this bar. So say the ending was a little bit long or you had a long pause, you can just drag that and make it shorter. You can also clear that. You can also split the video, so you can edit the video that way. So you can trim or split the video here, which is a really useful editing tool. We'll just clear that. And then under audio, you can add a whole range of background music. I wouldn't add it on this particular video because it's a voiceover with instructions, but if you had like a little cartoon playing or a slideshow, you can add royalty-free music here simply by clicking on it. So this will give you an idea of the kind of music. That would put that music at the back on the background. You get the idea. And then end screen and annotations is the next part I want to show you. You can add an element. So it's always a good idea to add a subscribe button. So this will just pop up with your little image to let people subscribe to your YouTube channel. And it pops it in at about the right time for you. So this is 2 minutes into the video, our little subscribe button is going to come up. You also have to add another element. It tells you here what you need to do. So we'll add another element and we can add a video or playlist. So this then gives your viewer the chance to view another video. So they can either view your most recently uploaded video, you can select best for viewer, so that will automatically select something which they think you want to see, or choose a video or playlist. I tend to use this one so I can tailor make the next video that my users will see. So if I click on that, because this one's about Facebook, I might then want to add another video about Facebook because they might be interested in that. So think about what your viewer might be interested in out of your videos and then create the elements. And you'll see again it's giving you instructions here. You need to add a space between the two elements. So you do that simply by clicking and dragging. So if we make that one at the end, and we'll make our subscribe option a little bit shorter, and I've now got a space between the two elements. So now that's going to allow me to save that. So when that video plays at 2 minutes and 15 seconds, my subscribe button will come up. At 2 minutes and 23 seconds, the next video suggestion will come up. So that's quite handy, giving your viewers a call to action. And then we'll just save those changes, which takes a second. And the last thing I want to show you is the subtitle page. So the subtitles will play automatically through voice recognition. But if you want to add your own subtitles, you just click on here. You want to select your language. And then you can upload a file. If you already had a transcript for this video, you can upload that here. You can transcribe and auto-sync, or you can create new subtitles. So you can type your own. So you can watch your video and pause it and enter your own subtitles in line with your video. So as you can see, there's a lot of things you can do to your video once you've uploaded it onto your YouTube channel, and this really helps to optimize your video and help your end users get a better experience.